Greetings, viewers. This is a message to my English-speaking subscribers. A lot has happened in 5 years, but that's besides the point. So the 5th season of the Make Acura Great Again launched in 2024 and is wrapped up in 2025. It got a decent interest with mixed results, and I'm overall happy with the outcome. I've tried to cover different important aspects in it, and I feel like I was able to capture those well. Almost 90% of the videos on the channel generally are watched by people who aren't subscribed, which is totally expected as this channel was created with a more of an on-demand factor in mind, where you would find and watch my videos based on something specific you are looking for, like a maintenance or repair guide, for example. And even though I've heard people refer to my channel as a blog or vlog for some reason, it is not. It's mostly been a detailed step-by-step video guide repository to help people with how to properly maintain and repair their cars. You may have noticed a shift towards car reviews that happened in the last month on the channel. This is a natural progression for me and provides me with an opportunity to see what's new in the automotive market and relay this to my viewers. I don't expect the viewership without subscription to change, as reviews are usually watched based on specific user queries as well. But we'll see how it affects the growth rate of the channel, which has somewhat stalled since about 2020. Anyway, I'll do my best to regularly release videos. I will have almost the full Acura lineup reviewed in the coming months. And I'm working with other brands as well. It's important for you to know that this does not mean that the Make Acura Great Again project is over, or that maintenance and repair videos in general will stop. But the screen time will now have a more video-type variety. Although, despite I commit to all of the maintenance and repair videos to be released in 2 languages, unfortunately doing the same for car reviews is simply not feasible at this moment of time. Between logistics, filming, editing, and my other many responsibilities, I just don't have enough time to make reviews bilingual. I definitely want to change that in the future, so I'll do my best to achieve that if I can at some point. Getting an editor would be a great factor, but it's not in the cards right now. Anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you just in case you're wondering or maybe concerned about the changes. Oh, and one more thing. We're approaching 20,000 subscribers, and I was thinking about a live stream, sort of a meetup kind of thing. So there's that. That's all. Bye!